Hello my dear students of class 5, welcome to maths class once again. As we are doing, let's recap of chapter number 5, multiples and factors. We have completed till question number 5. Today we will do question number 6 and 7 and we will complete this exercise. Let's recap, okay? Then we will move to our new exercise 5.1 in my next online class, okay? So what is question number 6? Find the LCM as well as the SCF of the following pairs of numbers. So, we have to find the LCM of this number and SCF also. LCM means what? Least common multiple. And SCF means what? Highest common factor. So this chapter is about let's recap, no? So here we are going to do those methods which we have learned in class 4. Okay, in class 4 we have done LCM by common multiple method and SCF we have done by prime factorization method. So we will use that method, okay? And in my next exercise and other exercises, there are different types of method for LCM and SCF. Okay, so we will learn the different types of methods of doing SCF and LCM. But here we are going to use the method which we have learned in class 4 because it is let's recap. Okay, so let's do LCM first, then SCF. LCM we will do by common multiple method and SCF we will do by prime factorization method. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first we will find the LCM. Okay, LCM by common multiple method. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write the multiples of 12 and 24 and then we will find the common. Multiples of 12. Okay, then multiples of 24. So what are multiples of 12? There are so many multiples. There is no end for multiples. So let's write 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72. Okay. So there are many multiples. Okay, so on. Many multiples are there. This means so on. Okay, there is no end for multiples. Why I have stopped here is that first we will write the multiple of 24 also and we will see that any common multiple is there or not. If we will not get any common multiple, then we will write more multiples. Okay, so let's write the multiples of 24. So what is the multiple of 24? It's 24. Then 2 ja 48, 3 ja 72 and so on. Why I have written here also so on? Because I have seen that common is there. You can see 24 is common. You can see that 24 is common. 48 is also common. 72 is also common. See, so we have got common here. So we have got the common. Okay, so now let's write here common multiples of 12 and 24 are. There are so many common multiples. Okay, but here we have got what? 24 is common, 48 is common, 72 is common. So let's write here 24, 48, 72 and so on. So many are there. Okay, we have written only this much. That is why we have got only 3 multiples. Common multiples we have got. Now we have got the common multiples, but what is the LCM? What is the LCM? LCM means what? Least common multiple. Okay, and which one is the smallest one? Which one is the least? 24. So 24 is the LCM. Okay, so in this way you have to do LCM by common multiple method. Now let's do SCF by prime factorization method. Okay, now we are going to do SCF by prime factorization method. Okay, so we have to find SCF of 12 and 24. For the same number we have to do LCM also, and for the same we have to do SCF also. Now how to do? We will write here 12, okay, and here 24. Now we are going to divide this by 2. 2 is the prime number. We will use the prime number to divide them. So it comes in the table of 2. So 2 6 are 12. Again this 6 will divide by 2. So 2 3 are 6. We got the prime number. It comes in its own table. 3 1 are 3. Okay. Now this one 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Again this 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are 3. Okay, 3 is the prime. So these all are prime numbers. Okay, so now we will write here 12, and we will write the prime factors what we have got for the 12. 2 into 2 into 3. You have to write in this way. And for 24 what we have got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we will circle those numbers which are common in both. Common prime factor we are going to circle. Okay, so you can see 2 is common in both. Okay, here also 2 is common in both, and you can see 3 is common in both. And SCF is what? The product of this prime factor. Okay, so SCF is what you have to do? You have to multiply them. We have to find the product. So what are common? 2. Okay, so we write here 1 2. Out of this we will write 1 2 and 1 3. So 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. So SCF is equals to what? 12. So this is the SCF. Okay, so I hope you have understood what you have to do. You have to first find the prime factors, okay, by this method, and then you have to find the common, and you have to find the product. The product you will get is your SCF. Okay, now let us see one more question of this type. Okay, now let's do question number C. Okay, we have to find LCM also and SCF also. So LCM by common multiple method we will do. So multiples of 45 we will write. Okay, so many are there, but we will write only few. Okay, so let's start. 45 1 ja 45. Then what is the multiple? Next is 90. Next is 135. Okay, you can write more. First let us write the multiple of 30 and see whether we get the common or not. Okay, if we will get any first common, that means that is our answer. Okay, because LCM means what? Least common multiple. So many are there. Now here you see 30, then 60, then 90, then 120. So many are there. Okay, so on. So many multiples are there. You can see now we have got the common 90. Okay, so what is the common multiple? Common multiple of 45 and 30 is 90, and so many other. If I will write more multiples, I'll get more common. But here LCM is what? Least one, the smallest one, the first one. So I got. So why to write so many multiple? No, I have got the first one. So that is why I have not written all the multiples. Okay. So when you will not get, you have to write the multiples. If you get the multiples first only, then no need to write many multiples. Okay. So I have got here. Then LCM is what? LCM is 90. Common multiple is also 90 and LCM is also what? 90. Now let us find SCF. Okay. So SCF by prime factorization method. Okay. So what is the question? 45 and 30. Okay. So first we will find the prime factor of both. So this is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3, 1 carry, 3 5 ja 15. Again it is divisible by 3, 3 5 ja 15. and it is divisible by now 5 by own table. Okay, because it is a prime number. 5 1 ja 5. Now this one, okay, it is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 2 5 ja 10. It is divisible by now 3. 3 5 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. Okay, and these are the prime factor of what? 45 and this of 30. So what I will do now, I'll write here 45 30. What I got for 45? 3 into 3 into 5. For 32 into 3 into 5. Now let us circle, okay, which are common in both. So you can see that 3 is common and 5 is common in both. So SCF is what? Is the product of this is 3 into 5, and SCF is equal to 3 5 is a 15. So what is the SCF? 15. Okay, so I hope you have understood. What you have to do, you have to take 1 out of this 2, out of this 2, and you have to multiply, and this is your SCF. Okay, now let's do the last question, question number 7. Question number 7, draw factor trees to find prime factors for the following. Okay, here we are going to draw the factor tree and we are going to find the prime factors. Okay, so let us start. There are just 2 questions, so I will do 1 question. So see here how to do. Okay, we are going to draw the factor tree. Factor tree. Okay, of 72. So here we have to find the prime factors. Okay, so I'll teach you in the easiest way. You know that 8 9 is 72 and 9 8 is 72. It comes in the table of 2 3 4 also. Okay, but here I am going to teach you the easiest way to get the prime factors. So we will do directly that 8 9 is 72. Okay, then what you have to do is that this is not the prime number. 8 and 9 is not the prime number. It will come in the other table also. It will come in the 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, and its own table. Okay, so we will write here 2 4 ja 8. Now you can see that 2 is the prime number now. 2 comes in the 1 table or it comes in the own table. So 2 is the prime number, so we will circle this 2. Okay, we will circle the prime numbers. Okay, and 4 is not the prime number. We can write this 4 like this also. 2 into 2. 2 2 ja what? 4. So now we got the prime number. This is 2 is the prime number. We will circle this. 2 is also the prime number. We will circle this. Now 9 is here. 9 is not the prime number. 9 comes in the table of 3. So we can write here 3 3 ja 9. Now these 3 are what? Prime number. They comes in their own table. So they are prime numbers. We will circle this also. Okay. So now the prime numbers which we have circled, we can write here like this. Okay, product of, when we will multiply this all prime number, we will get 72 as the product. Okay, so these are the prime factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equals to what? 72. So when you will multiply this all prime numbers, what you will get as a product? 72 only. So you see here, let's check it. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. Okay, this 72 comes in so many table. Okay, but we have to do it by prime factor. Okay, we have to find the prime factors. So these are the prime numbers. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So this is the factor tree. Okay, you can start with 2 also, or you can do like this, and then you can get the prime numbers. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So we have completed our let's recap. So with this we have completed our let's recap, okay, of chapter number 5, multiples and factors. So in my next class I will start the new exercise 5.1. Okay, so whatever I have done in my copy, you will do in your copy as a classwork, and I will give you a few questions as a homework. Okay, so for today up to this much. Thank you.